Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy and hold stocks on Webull. Open your Webull app, fund your account, and select a diversified stock to buy for the long term. Place a market or limit order, set a reasonable position size, and avoid frequent trading. Use watch lists and alerts to track holdings, review quarterly reports, and rebalance occasionally. Stay patient and focus on companies with durable competitive advantages. Create a Webull account, complete identity verification, and link your bank to enable transfers. Decide between cash and margin accounts, understanding margin risks and interest. Transfer funds using ACH or wire and allow settlement time before trading. Practice with paper trading if you want to test strategies without risk. Once funded, research stocks, check fundamentals and analyst sentiment, and place your first buy order when comfortable. Track performance over months and avoid reacting to daily noise. Focus on buy and hold principles, prioritizing quality companies with predictable cash flows and durable brands. Dollar-cost average regular contributions to reduce timing risk and grow positions over time. Ignore daily price swings and avoid excessive trading fees or tax-triggering sales. Use cost-basis tracking and set mental or data-driven thresholds for reevaluation. Consider dividend reinvestment and patience as key drivers of compounded returns. Review your portfolio annually and adjust for major life changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.